create a place that doesn't exist, not from imagination alone, but built from somewhere real. It starts with a sketch, just a grayscale, no people, no color, just a street. I add a few ships, some light from a store. I broke a building and scattered the pieces. The silence began to fracture. I get a lot of reference from real places in Taiwan. Storefronts, alleys, signboards. I have seen so many times. I stopped noticing them. But my eye never really forgot. These textures became my toolkit. Not to recreate, but to rearrange. Most of this image was made with Photobash. Nothing complicated, just fragments of real material, layered into something quietly unnatural. Fog, light, refractions, not for realism, but to suggest something's broken. I used Taiwan's biggest supermarket, Chen PX Mart, as a kind of anchor. Half swallowed, still glowing, like something had already happened. There's no perfect workflow here. I sketch, I Photobash, I improvise. This is not about rendering a place. It's about putting one. Of tension, of silence, of memory. Place may never exist, but maybe almost did.